Dark fruit, lots of brilliant color. This is La Magia. The vineyard is one single plot of organic vineyards surrounded by a hill of forest, and right at the end of it, far away, you have the Monte Amiata, the extinct volcano. The Schwartz family has been owning this place for now a few decades. 1979 is when they kicked off. Alto Adige, so they come from the northern parts of Italy. Now Fabian Schwartz is graduated as a winemaker in one of the most prestigious wine schools, and you can tell this wine is very much of a super clean fruit extracted Brunello di Montalcino. 5 hectoliters tonneau, so French, kind of like medium size, I would say barrels. Lots of blackberry jam. A little bit, not a little bit, a lot of flowers, almost like jasmine flowers and violets. And a sweet confected fruit. You can tell you have the energy of the clay, Pliocenic soil, kind of like a pretty intense tannic structure. This is 2016, so it's yet not released and it needs a little bit of time to smooth out the tannins, but for sure, the sweet character and this acidity that you see me chewing so much fruit is a good sign for this wine to see some good aging potential.